Anti-aging tips, top 3 essential vitamins to stay young and healthy. Aging is a natural process that everyone experiences, but the desire to maintain youthful vitality and health is a universal pursuit. While lifestyle factors like exercise and a balanced diet play crucial roles in the aging process, the role of essential vitamins should not be underestimated. We will explore 3 key vitamins that are essential for anti-aging, helping you stay young and healthy as you navigate the journey of aging gracefully. 1. Vitamin C, the skin's best friend. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerhouse antioxidant that plays a pivotal role in promoting youthful skin and overall well-being. As we age, the skin is prone to oxidative stress caused by free radicals, leading to the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers, which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. One of the primary benefits of vitamin C is its ability to counteract this oxidative stress. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals, protecting the skin from premature aging. Moreover, vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, a structural protein that provides skin with strength and resilience. By supporting collagen production, vitamin C contributes to the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother and more youthful appearance. In addition to its skin benefits, vitamin C supports the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Including vitamin C-rich foods in your diet, such as citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens, can be an effective strategy for maintaining overall health and promoting anti-aging effects. 2. Vitamin D, the bone and immune system protector. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for maintaining strong bones and a robust immune system. As we age, bone health becomes increasingly important, as the risk of osteoporosis and fractures rises. Vitamin D plays a key role in calcium absorption, contributing to bone mineralization and strength. Moreover, vitamin D has been linked to immune system function. A strong immune system is essential for warding off infections and illnesses, which can have a significant impact on overall health and longevity. Adequate vitamin D levels have been associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, making it a valuable component of an anti-aging strategy. While the body can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, many individuals, especially those in areas with limited sunlight or aging populations, may experience deficiencies. Including vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks, or considering supplements under the guidance of a healthcare professional, can help ensure you maintain optimal levels of this essential vitamin. 3. Vitamin E, the skin's nourisher and protector. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant, is renowned for its role in skin health and protection against oxidative damage. This vitamin is commonly found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils, making it easily accessible through a balanced and diverse diet. The primary function of vitamin E in anti-aging is its ability to neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from environmental stressors. Exposure to UV rays, pollution, and other environmental factors can accelerate the aging process by causing oxidative damage to the skin. Vitamin E acts as a shield, helping to minimize the impact of these external stressors and maintaining skin integrity. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin E promotes skin hydration and elasticity. It has been used in skincare products for decades due to its moisturizing effects and its potential to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Including vitamin E-rich foods in your diet, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, can contribute to the overall health and radiance of your skin.